Kubilai shubani fi bro kajing bitip nam ta ka result ke ba penit menta ka sengi po ka official website jong ka MPSC Mekhlia Public Service Commission. The result of the interview to the post of Mass Mekhlia Agriculture Service 3 Agricultural Development Officer, Horticultural Development Officer, Scientific Officer, Research, Seed, Technology, Soil Testing, Seed Testing Extra. Kane how much arjar of pen meet advertisement they kila conduct by the Commission on 16-17 December 2024 and 306 January 2025. It's hereby declared. Pendek mentah how 2025. The name of the successful candidate recommended by the Commission in order of merit are as follow. Tegi kerteng jong kibala Syajid successful candidate kilong dengan pulih kini kerteng wei kibun hai kerteng do prapon rungut ebra dengan pulih wei kibayo on reserve kategori jua Shri Bhalang dengan Semiti Riju Banki Chalam Bishar Lang Wanyang Lucky Don Khongla Yang Scam Lang Shooting Babet Lang Kharsiying Maka Risa Sungo Wayu Lang Talang Fas Bonson Khar Ebenasar Gempat Chesterfield Maubley Lapin Biang Khongremai Dabiang Lang Dok Terang Kini yo on reserve kategori Khalangut dan Khasi Jaintia Pahara Signings Imle Poida Rambai Dipriya Arlengkoi Lewot Kirangat Deni Chwat Khar Donovan Kharbuli Ameli Nora Taryang Banker Lang Khongwir No Dimbe Snal Sangma nila garu kategori Wankit Kupar Fernando Nadon Damon Hi Play Alwa Lisa Nongrum B Selekstar Marwen Mishan Ki Bamon Nikiru Lamare Primia Arlengkoi Ladai P Kharsati Nicola Amanda Taryang Pinhunlin Nula Kharkrang Doling Niki Pasa Jan Shai Parstep Dingdo Aiba Pensuk Khongwar Freddy Bum Singkli Jolin Margaret Mautho Ba Pernailen Lingdo Mauplang Carol Emdor Gracia Lingdo Dil Resha and Sangma Pogar kategori Jasmine H Marak IT Hun Yopnia Biniki Minora Armarak Ella Venawar Chayanika Hajong Hamar Babiang K Ringkun Jeffrey Rapol Porman Daryl K Marak Sanbor Lang Khar Yada Riti Karumnuj Nigel Lal Rem Tuangla E Sangma Josias Karmoplang Sengku M Marak Perna Kidkhar Diotrepi Kedkhar Bonsera S Sangma Rian Kahajong Michelle Armarak Ricky Rian Ar Sangma Nisanda Armarak Silas G Momin Changkal Adriel Dalbot Shira Wanya Colette K Marak Kil Chira E Marak Lima N Sangma Chiga Di Sangma Aska New N Marak Amchi Chris Bia M Marak Ton Seng Agitok Sangma Hana Jitingme CH Marak Tilesa Di Areng Sande Chesel CH Marak Simiti Trisha Das Odar STSC kategori Tengsrang M Sangma Chakchik Agitok E Getok Sangma Barnada Dikchira E Sangma Changchang Chekam CH Marak Hosiana Chuan Armarak Sima K Marak Nima Blossom G Momen Chinnu Agitok Sangma Victor Merong Marak Romit Rabah Akedi Ar Sangma Mikimchi M Marak Bat Prapanreu Jamie Riman Lenar Lalu sportsperson napok kasih jentia iyo ini anak sportsperson napok garu kategori beda and there was no candidate for the post of sportsperson from the garu committee kene sana nah next recruitment. The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless appointing authority is satisfied after such inquiry as may be considered necessary that the candidate are suitable in all respect. Te kini kita bela yo namta kini post namta ada khasan tarik Januari arjat sante congratulations namta kini baro prapen rungut te tangan nehi kini putip kublai syubun.